All right, so I have a Chevy 2020 Chevy pickup with a gas engine in it. What kind of gas should I run in my truck to get the best gas mileage?
It's a great question. So there we have our 83 or 84 and all that. Most gas now has ethanol in it. You'll see that little red handle one that says 100% gas, no ethanol. But even that still has a percentage of ethanol in it. The problem with the ethanol and the best gas that you want to use is the one with the least ethanol percentage, because ethanol is really bad about building up moisture, and you don't want to have a fuel and water moisture in your tank and mix because it doesn't burn properly. So the best one, and like I said, even still, the 100% gas still has a slight percentage of ethanol, but you want to shoot for your lowest quality. And then on top of that, I recommend getting a fuel system dryer or running some maintenance product through it. That's going to lower that moisture content more than just trusting whatever gas is in it. Because, just for example, Hutch's or Phillips 66 83 gas doesn't have the same as Valero's 83%. It's not the same ratio. That ratio can be so drastically different between each company and each of their products. Let's just go ahead and get the lowest quality ethanol that we can from whoever we choose, and let's go ahead and add a fuel system dryer or that fuel system additive to make it run more efficiently, because that's how we get more consistency, not which gas we're picking.
Okay, and so what if the book says that I need to run 91 octane gas?
So there are some higher performance vehicles that their fuel systems are a little bit more delicate. I highly recommend running what your car calls for in the owner's manual so we can adhere to those specifications.
So if it says 87, run 87. If it says 89, run 89.
Right. If it doesn't have a preference, the lowest ethanol content you can.